Hi students, how are you? Here is an important question. The correct order of a rate of solvolysis reaction in 80% ethanol at 25 degrees centigrade. These three substrates. So actually this question came in June 2018 CSIR NET exam. We can see here that all these three are 3 degree alkyl halide. This is a 2-2-1 2-2-1 bicyclic system, bicyclic Bridget system, whereas this is 2-2-2 bicyclic system, and this is adamantile system. Adamantile system. All these three are 3 degree alkyl halide. So these three will undergo solvolysis reaction following SN1 mechanism. What is happened in SN1 mechanism? First, an alkyl halide will form a carbocation followed by attack of nucleophile to form the product. So in such case, if they undergo heterolytic cleavage of CBr bond, then the carbocation produced will see what a carbocation will produce. So in such case, for A, this carbocation will formed, it is called A prime. From B, this will be formed, this is B prime. From C, this will form. Now this carbocation has sp2 hybridization. Let's say one carbocation, it has sp2 hybridization and it is planar geometry. So to maintain planar geometry, it is very difficult for small ring system. According to Braid's rule, planarity cannot be maintained at Bridget position if the ring size is not large enough. Planarity cannot be maintained at the Bridget position if the ring size is large enough. So in this system, it has only one carbon atom. So it has all 2-2-2 bicyclic system, whereas it is 2-2-1 bicyclic system. So for this system, it is very difficult to maintain planar geometry at this Bridget carbon atom, whereas it will be easier to maintain planarity in this carbocation. So B prime will be formed easily than A prime. So the substrate B will undergo solvolysis reaction higher than this, and in case of C prime, it has higher flexibility than this. It is an adamantile system and it has higher flexibility than A or B prime. So C prime will form very easily from C. So we can say that the stability of order of these three carbocation, stability order of these three carbocations, C prime greater than B prime greater than A prime. So the rate of solvolysis reaction will be C greater than B greater than A. A rate of solvolysis reaction C greater than B greater than A If you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box. And to get such interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.